Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Rune Factory Guardians of Azuma game not launching, not opening, crashing, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing or other issues on Xbox. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen first. Now press menu button on controller and then select quit option. After that, restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. Open settings on your Xbox, select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the updating process. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next is to check internet connection. So for that, open Xbox menu, select settings and select network settings and click on test network connection. Now wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next is to check for Rune Factory Guardians of Azuma update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check if there is any update available and after updating the game, launch it and check. If not, next is to clear persistent storage. For that, open settings, choose device and connections, click on Blu-ray. Now select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next is to clear cache of Rune Factory Guardians of Azuma game. For that, press Xbox guide, click on My Games and Apps, tap on See All. Here search for Rune Factory Guardians of Azuma game, press menu, then select Manage Games and Add-ons. Then tap on Save Data and then click on Reserved Space. Finally, tap on Clear Reserved Space. Next method is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings. Under Profile System, next go to Account and click on Remove Accounts. Here select the account to remove and then select Remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to reinstall Rune Factory Guardians of Azuma game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps and select See All option. Here select the game, then press menu button, then select Uninstall. After the game is removed, open Rune Factory Guardians of Azuma official website and download the game and finally check if the game is launching or not. If the issue still continues, then it's time to take help from the support team. So when nothing works, then it's time to help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can play the game once again without any further problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.